Capital investments like manufacturing equipment, computers, and vehicles often quickly become outdated or unreliable in the fast-paced business world. But what if there was a solution to this common problem? Instead of enviously observing other business people and their success, imagine if you could focus on making your company innovative, creative, and fun. Don't be unhappy about others' success. Concentrate on making your own business a hub of originality and excitement. It's time to rewrite your business's story. Embrace innovation, creativity, and fun, and watch your success unfold.